Good morning, guys. Today, I was scheduled to film a video, like a sit-down chit-chat type video where I just talked about something like very serious. And then what normally happens when I am scheduled to film a video like that, I like to do my research and write down points and make sure that I say everything right the night before. Go back home yesterday evening and Norma calls me. I think maybe an hour and a half after I come back and starts asking me if I've seen the news. I'm not on the news. It could be Bryant. I'm still not over this news. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not athletic like that. I am not into sports, but you don't need to be to know who Kobe Bryant was. And I don't think I slept properly yesterday because I just spent a lot of time thinking like, what is life? I'm very active on Twitter, so there was this video of them that kind of went viral last week where, people were quoting it with different things, and it was Kobe and his daughter at a game, and he was kind of breaking down the game to her, and it's just absolutely wild to me. Like, honestly, it's so wild to me that this week we are quoting that video with RIP for the two of them. I don't like... May their souls rest in peace. May the souls of all the other people on that flight, the helicopter, rest in peace. The minute Norma called me trying to say Kobe Bryant, the first image that came to my mind was the image from that video of him and his daughter. I just put my paper and my pen down, and of course all of us did a deep dive into social media just trying to confirm, because a lot of people were reporting all kinds of things at first, and then after that it's just like this numbness, because I think that even if you're an athletic, because I feel like a lot of people are struggling to, when someone like Kobe dies, fam, God, Jesus Christ, he was 41. He had just finished with a chapter of his life and he was moving on to another chapter. Who has done so much, who at his very young age was a living legend. Kobe Bryant was a living legend. He has a wife with kids. The youngest one is like 7 months. It touches everyone. The video that I planned to do today, I just kind of cancelled it. I was like, you know what? I have work to do regardless. So I'm going to take you guys through the day. I'm just trying to get myself to leave this bed first because I have to work out quickly this morning and do my emails. My TV has spoiled again, which is just... I don't know what's going on. Because I fixed that TV back in December and I was told it was a surge. That's like the third time. I've talked about this TV before. So I keep changing the power and changing the power. The last time I took it to the LG store, and now if it didn't happen in front of me, I'll be like, okay, some sort of surge happened when I was sleeping, but that couldn't even have been it because I always turn the socket off. After the last one, they said it was a surge. I don't turn the socket of my TV on unless I'm about to watch it. So the TV is always off. I turned it on yesterday afternoon to watch it, to just watch something on Netflix, and then the TV just goes, ooh. So I have to take it back to the LG office today. I want to take you guys along, just take you guys with me today. I'm just gonna get up. I'm gonna pray really quickly. I'm not even gonna leave this bed to pray. I'm just going to pray now. Pray for everybody, pray for my family, pray for myself, and just pray for Kobe Bryant's family. Pray for the 2 children that the coach and his wife left behind. Pray for the family of the 3 other women on that helicopter. Pray for the pilot's family. I'm just going to try and pray for everyone. Just finished working out, okay, and I just remembered now that I haven't shown you guys this mirror that I have here. It's a new one. You guys can see that it's a lot bigger than the old one that I used to have here. I just wanted something that I don't know, I could take pictures or do videos in without bending my camera like this, because I'd have to do this most of the time, even my phone camera. So this is new. It was made by Mr. Kazim. If you've not seen my house tour video, please go check that out. It has Mr. Kazim's details on there. He's a very good carpenter. He made this. This is about 5 feet long, tall, and then I think about 4, I don't know how many feet wide it is, but it's big. I can ask him to confirm, but I have a bunch of stuff to do now. I have emails. I'll first of all go take a shower, and then I'll do breakfast, and then I'll do a little bit of work, and then I'll start heading over to the LG office. In case you're wondering, this is the chairman that is giving me stress. You know, I don't think that I've actually enjoyed this CV just at a stretch, because I don't understand. I got it in 2016, and it's been to the LG office 2 times since then. I do everything that I think I'm supposed to do, but then something always ends up happening. It's not working right now. Like, I turned it on and it made a very loud noise yesterday. So I'm taking it to the LG office. Let me go shower and then eat, show you guys what I'm having for breakfast, and then yeah, I think I'm going to end today. I think I need it. I need to laugh today, guys. I honestly believe that I need to laugh at a point, so I'm going to go see Sugar Rush. I think I'm going to end my day with Sugar Rush. Today everything still feels somehow. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. I'm having a smoothie bowl. This isn't like fancy like the last one that I showed you guys, but I just have some granola and some dried coconut flakes on here. So this is my breakfast. So guys, we just finished doing emails. I have to change really quickly so that we'll start leaving the house now. And okay, so I'm just going to pack my bag real quick. I want to use this bag that I got from my Kenya trip. It's from Sand and Storm, and it's a really cute bag, and I think that this is going to be my new favorite travel bag. So these are the agreements that I already signed, and my computer, my notebook. I take this with me whenever I'm going for meetings so that I can make notes. So this is the bag that I'll be using today. Okay, so I'm wearing my YouTube Black t-shirt. They gave us these. Yeah, so I've worn this once or 2 times now, and I really like it. So that's what I'm going to be wearing to run errands today. I've tied my hair back, so let's go. Couldn't vlog while we were inside, and the TV is back here now, so we're hoping that this does not happen again. It said it's a power issue. LG, stop it. Okay, so on my way to my meeting, I've already started editing this vlog. I have my hard drive plugged in here, so I'm currently editing. Look at my face. Yeah, so after that I have to go one other place, and then I want to check out this new place in VI. This is going to be quick. I'm not going to waste any time. I just have 3 of these to drop. This one is already coming apart, but whatever. I can't take my camera in. Okay, guys, so this is a new place that I want to check out. Just placed my order. I ordered a sandwich. You are exactly where you need to be. Okay, so my bubble tea. This is my sandwich. Sandwich and fries. This looks good. I just made it to the cinema like 2 hours ago. My mom called to tell me that our family dog died, that it's dead. I felt really sad. I've told you guys before that I'm not really a dog person, but that dog meant so much to my family. It meant so much to my siblings who are like dog lovers. And we got the dog around the time we had just transitioned into a new phase in our lives. So it just kind of hit me, and I just feel like today of all days, I just thinking of, you know, the things I'd already been thinking about since morning, and then this. And I was like, I'm not even sure if I want to see Sugar Rush again, but guys, I'm seeing Sugar Rush. Like, I need to laugh.
A few moments later.
That was a fail. For some reason, I kind of messed up the time. So the movie had already started showing when I got here. So I was looking at the time for another cinema, and I thought that it was the one I was going to. Long story short, the movie started 10 minutes before I got here. And some of you be like, oh, 10 minutes. Like, that's not, guys, a lot can happen in 10 minutes. And I want to start this movie like from the first scene, okay? I just want to watch everything. So I'm going to go home. Like, all the other cinemas around me that I've checked, the movie kind of starts 2 hours from now. And guys, I need to sleep. I honestly don't think that at this point I can hang around somewhere and wait till 7 p.m. Nah, I'm not doing that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I'll see you guys in my next one.